Hello everyone. Today's video I will be working on an Xbox One X that came in with no video. So after checking on the TV using low resolution mode by holding the eject button and the power button for about 20 seconds, after the second beep, also nothing on the screen. And we'll also try a different hard drive. Sometimes if the hard drive is bad or corrupted, that would leave us with a black screen. So after using these two methods and not getting anywhere, we took it apart. We have the motherboard here, and that's what we're going to be working on. So let's get to the microscope here. So we're going to check the HDMI circuitry here. Okay. There you go. Okay, so here we got the HDMI ports. And HDMI ports look intact. All the pins are good, connection's perfect, so we're gonna skip that. Sometimes you get a blown resistor here, which is not the case. So everything looks perfectly normal, no burn marks on any chip, no bad solder joints. And nothing obvious. So in most cases, this is the chip that goes bad, and this is what we're going to be replacing today. It's the encoder IC, and for that, we're going to add some. Let's see if I can get a better. There you go. Okay, so we're just going to add some flux. Get the station going. And we keep heating up the encoder IC. Like so, and you see it's moving right. Take it out. Time to do some cleaning. After adding some low melt solder. I always like to cut this instead of having to bend it and use the top side of it. Right. Get some more flux around. And now we're gonna thin the pads. Okay, so just add some flux again. And this is gonna go in the same orientation. I'm gonna preheat the pads here a bit. This will get a nice looking solder here. There we go. Here, okay. All line is good. Now we're gonna add some flux around the chip. Make sure all the pins are soldered properly. This side. And that's why I like this tip, because it's curved and I could use it in any direction I want. Alright, make sure we don't have any bridges. Again, do some more cleaning. Make sure it's all clean around. Okay, and now we can put it for testing. So I'm gonna install it back in the system and I'll be right back. All right, so as you can see here, the system is plugged in and ready for testing. I just assemble it enough for testing purposes. And even though the hard drive still needs to be formatted, but I'm just looking for a signal from the console, and we'll call this a fix. And as you can see, we got a signal, so the encoder IC we replaced is working fine. That's a done repair. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next.